we have used LEDs, batteries, jumper wires.
Secondly, we have made a washing machine which can be recharged.
We all have washing machines at our home, but when the electricity is powered off, they are not completed.
And therefore, we have made a machine which works on rechargeable batteries, and it also saves electricity. So, to make this useful project, we have used switch, battery, jumper wires, DC motor, etc. Now we will show the working model of the project. So whenever the electricity is cut off, then also the street lights remain on.
Secondly, we have made a rechargeable washing machine.